This is 10th standard Science and Technology part 1, part 2, lesson number 2, life process in living organism, part 1. In this lesson, we learn their living organisms and life process, living organism and energy production, cell division, a life process. And in this video, we learn their cell division, a life process. Cell division is given by the two types. That means cell division is the one of the important properties of the cell and living organism. Due to this property, only a new organisms is formed. In an existing one, a multicellular organisms grows up and the body is restored. There are two types of cell division. That is, one is mitosis and second is meiosis. At first, mitosis occurs in a somatic cell and stem cells of the body. Whenever meiosis occurs, germ cells. Before the study of cell division, we know that the cell structure and what is the cell. Beside the cell organism, we also present the structure. We learn there. First, you learn here for chromosomes. This is the structure of chromosomes in your textbook. Here you say there single chromosomes, that is the chromides, and this is the copying of a DNA. Then this DNA structure chromosomes connections by the centrochromes. This is your centrochromes. Then these centrochromes circulate there like this one. This is the single chromosomes steps, and you see in your textbook like this one. This is given as, that is X-like structure, and in your upper part, that is you say there DNA structure. This is your DNA structure, and a pair of each type of chromides is present in a 2n conditions, whereas a single chromides of the each type is present in your, this is a single type of chromate is present in your n condition, and their structure like this X-like structure. This is your given the P arm, chromosomes, Q arm, and their telomeres, and this part is called your DNA molecule. This is the nucleosomes. These are moving for their DNA structure. This is the single chromosomes part, and these chromosomes are combined together. Then this is whole structure is called their chromosomes, and this is your single chromosomes. These are combined to each other. Then it is like this structure, that is your chromosomes. Then you say there for first cell division, that is mitosis. Somatic cell and stem cells is divided by mitosis. Mitosis is completely through the two main steps. These are prokaryotic, that is the nuclear division, and eukaryotic, that is the cytoplasm division. Prokaryotic is completely through 4 steps. These are the 4 steps. Is first step is the prophase. In a prophase, condensations of the basically in the thin thread-like chromosomes start. Here this thin thread-like chromosomes are start. Due to this, they become a short and thick and start appear along with their pairs of sister chromides. This is the pair of sister chromide. This is the single chromides coming here. Then these are showing like the sister chromides, that is the prophase. Then second stage, that is metaphase. Here you see there metaphase. These some structure are coming for the sister cells are combined together. That is nuclear membrane completely disappears in a metaphase. Chromosomes complete their conditions and become clearly visible. That is a clearly visible like this one. show this one, chromosomes are clearly visible, and along with their sister chromates, all chromosomes are arranged in parallel equilibrium. These are parallel equilibrium moving there, and center plane of the cells. Special type of flexible portion, that is the spindle like, this is the thread like part. This thread like part is called their special type of flexible part, are formed between the centrochromes and chromates of the two centrochromes. That is the metaphase. Then third stage is, that is the anaphase. This is your anaphase. See, like this one, anaphase, these sister chromates are separate to each other. That means in anaphase, centrochromes split and thereby the sister chromates of the each chromosome separate, and they are pulled appear a opposite direction. These are a separate form and these are pushed by their opposite directions of each other. The separation sister chromates are called a daughter chromates, and chromates begin pull appear like a bunch of banyans. In this way, each set of chromates reach to opposite poles of the cells. These are reach to opposite poles of each chromates. This is your anaphase. Then you say the telphase. See there, telphase. In telphase, the chromates which have, see this one is a telphase. In telphase, which have a reach at opposite poles of the cells now start now the deconditions, due to which their organs becomes thread-like, thin and invisible. Nuclear membrane is formed around each set of chromates reached at the pole. Thus, the two daughters nucleates are formed in a cell. These are the four steps of this one. This interphase, that means it is given as a anaphase. Then you have to see this like, these are the earlier stage, then earlier prophase. This is earlier prophase, then late prophase. Then these are showing that the telphase, that means it's as a spindle-like part, that is a fiber parts are coming there, and these are the thread there. And this is the anaphase. These are the opposite directions of the poles is coming there. These are the completely coming to pulled up their side, and this is the telphase. It's showing that a nucleus also appear in a two daughter cells. Spindle fiber completely disappear. Here, spindle fibers are completely disappear. These four steps are showing there a mitosis. Then you learn their meiosis. Meiosis giving their anaphase 1 and anaphase 2. These are the two steps of mitosis. Meiosis is completely through the two stages. The two stages are mitosis 1 and meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Then these are the cross section over between the homogeneous chromosomes, and therefore there are homogeneous chromosomes, not a sister chromates, are divided into the two groups. In these groups, there are showing there, that is the haploid cells are formed, and these haploid cells are forming like this one. These are your parent cells. Then here you have to give their DNA replications. Then you show their two daughter cells. That means these are the two daughter cells formatting, and again their daughter cells are coming like this one. These are the two steps of cell division, that is mitosis and meiosis, showing their cell division. Here meiosis first stage is just like a mitosis. In the like this, there are the four stage, and their two haploid daughter cells are formed. In the meiosis, undergoes the division by the separation of recombinant sister chromates and their four haploids. These are the four haploids are coming there, and the process of gametes productions and sperms formation occurs in meiosis. In this type of cell division, that is the four haploid N daughter cells. These are the four haploid daughter cells daughter cells are coming there, the 4 haploid daughter cells are formed, and 2 diploid cells, that is the during this cell division across over between the 2 homogeneous chromosomes, and thereby genetic recommendations occurs. Due to this, all of the 4 daughter cells are generally different from the parent cells and from each other too.